In this video, we're going to be changing plate lights on this Ram 1500, but these instructions cover a lot of trucks of various makes and models, so odds are these instructions will work for your truck as well. This truck used 194 style bulbs, but make sure you look up the right bulbs for your application. Safely get underneath the rear bumper and find wires that lead up to your light sockets. Trucks tend to have their light above the plate or on both sides of the plate. Rotate the socket counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Make sure you have on some rubber gloves and some safety glasses as you remove the light bulb from the socket. Because of the location of these bulbs, they are very prone to corrosion, which means you have to pull harder on the bulb to remove it, and that could shatter it. With the old bulb removed, install the new one and make sure it works. Alright, that LED looks good. Plug the socket back into the light assembly and you're all set. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next Cars Simplified video.